Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know this video is a little bit different, but I am going to do my nails today, and I decided, hey, why not show you guys what I do and what I use to do my nails. I know a lot of you guys, or all of us, kind of picked up a little something from 2020 with doing our nails, and I definitely honed in on a couple of skills. So I'm just gonna jump right into it. If you guys like this video, let me know, and I'll definitely do more like this. Everything that I got, or everything that I'm gonna show you in today's video as far as like supplies and tools, I got it from Amazon. So yeah, down to the polishes. A lot of the things you're gonna see is from Beetles. I really like this brand, so I'm gonna be using the Beetles base gel top coat. The colors are also from Beetles as well, and these all came out of a kit, a Beetles gel polish kit, so I'll be using those. I do have my drill here. Again, it's from Amazon. Sube, yep. Then I'll be using my bigger lamp to cure my nails once I actually paint them, but to actually put my nails on, I'm going to be using the little small Beetles lamp here. And the nails I got, these are just some shorter full size nails, and this is what these look like. I'm not a fan of the super long ones, so these, I like this size. They're not too short and they're not too long. So I'm going to be using these, and the glue that I'm going to be using to adhere the nails would be this Beetles nail glue here. And yeah, y'all, that's it. I got some acetone here. I also have some Q-tips for cleanup and some cotton rounds for cleanup as well if I need them. Other than that, these are all my supplies, and I am going to get started. So first thing before I get started, if you guys can see my nails, they kind of have like a little shiny coat. Y'all, I tried to do some poly nails the other day, and it was hard. So if you've ever tried to do poly nails, or if you do poly nails, y'all leave your girl some tips. That stuff was so sticky, and I just couldn't get it together. So I don't know, I'll have to try again. I did pick up a kit, so yeah, well, I'll have to try poly nails on another day. This I know I can get done, so that's what we're gonna do. All right, so first, starting off with the nails, the first thing that you want to do is make sure you measure a nail to your size. I kind of made myself a little cheat sheet, so here's a little tip that I do. I make myself a little cheat sheet per each set of nails. So for this set, this is my cheat sheet. So the left, I have my numbers written down for what I need, and then on the right side, I have my numbers written down for what I need, and I hope y'all can see that. But yeah, and I just keep this with the nails. I have other nail sets like this, some that are longer and so forth. So for all my tips or full nails, I just write myself a little cheat sheet, y'all. It helps so I don't have to come fumbling down. I can literally find what I need and keep it pushing. So that's just a little cute tip that I like to use. And I don't know how much more talking I'm gonna do through this video. I think I am going to put this on with a little music, because I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos, and I'm just gonna let y'all see my process and get started. If I do think of any other tips, I will probably put them in a text that you guys will see. And if you have any questions or tips, leave them in the comments. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up before you watch, or during while you're watching. And if you haven't, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, because we have so much more to bring to you. And yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's a little different, but hey, nothing's wrong with a little different sometimes. bye.